guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. Today I am going to be doing a DIY project. So we are going to be making an Easter tree. Those of you who don't know me very well or just want to know this, Easter is 1000% my favorite holiday. Every year I always want an Easter tree and I never do it, and I go online and I never see anything great. So let me just show you what I'm up to. Right now, I bought this big, I don't know if it's like a vase or just glass jar, gigantic glass jar. I bought this at Hobby Lobby. And also, I bought this Shortcuts Hobbycraft paint. I'm debating if I want to make it a Valentine's Day tree first, very pink, and then transition it over to Easter. Either way, it's both the same vibe, and I'm really excited, so stay tuned for the video. All right, you guys, so I am out in the middle of the woods. The reason why I want a bare Easter tree and not like a full Christmas tree type tree is because Easter comes around in the spring, and springtime typically looks like this, maybe with some green buds. So basically Easter, in my opinion, symbolizes new life, fresh beginnings, and the bare trees getting ready to take sprout is the way I envision a Easter tree to look. Of course, decorating for spring is always more fun when you have a flock of ducks. Okay, you guys, so I am gonna take the white spray paint. I have one of my trees that I cut down, and I'm gonna now just attempt to spray paint this white. Let's get it started. Oh, how pretty. Oh my God, it's coming on so nice. Oh my God, this is great. So I'm getting like a chalky white finish. It looks whiter in camera than it does in real life. This definitely makes this tree pop a lot more. I'm running low, guys. All right, so let's do a half hour now. I'm gonna set a timer. So 30 minutes and then we'll do the other side. So I am back. I picked up a couple things from Michael's today. I picked up this moss type looking thing for the bottom of the jar. However, since it's only January right now, I decided before I make this into a 100% Easter tree, I'm going to work to make this into a Valentine's Day tree. I got red ribbon, and I got pink ribbon, and then I got these adorable heart-shaped ornaments, which is so cute. I got different types of acrylic paint sets for when I want to hand paint my Easter eggs, which I'll probably do another video on. I got this gorgeous, like, picnic-looking wired ribbon that I think is gonna look adorable. And then, of course, I got some of these for my eggs. Guys, okay, so it's been several days. So I'm gonna give you the finished product tour. Now, I do wanna let you guys know that I did go mostly Valentine's decor, some Easter's on there. So I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of what the tree is going to be and just like where I'm going with this, so you guys can start making your trees. Christmas tree for Valentine's Day. We were at the Christmas tree shop. We did find these adorable, like Victorian looking Easter eggs, so I had to put them on immediately. Also, I did put some like crystals down here from a centerpiece that I won, and then I have that pretty little pink pastel centerpiece right here, because let's just have flowers growing out of the tree. And you guys can see all the spray painted wood right here. I love all, like the type of tree that I chose. Oh, this little guy. My husband gave this to me years ago as part of like my Valentine's Day present, and I found it, so I just stuck a hook in it and hung it on the tree. And then of course, these pastel lights. It doesn't show in the camera, but like this one's pink, this one's green, this one's light orange, light blue, and it just adds such a magical touch to the tree, and I'm just obsessed. Like, look at these little ornaments with the rabbits doing things and the polka dots. Like, look at this, how it doesn't get cuter. I don't think it gets cuter than like Easter decor. I'm still prepping for Easter, as you know, and I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek on what I'm up to egg-wise. Hey guys, so these are the eggs that I'm starting to paint. I do intend on putting hooks on them and hanging them on my Easter tree also. These eggs are from my ducks, and I blew the yolk out. I put a hole up top here, hole at the bottom here, and I blew the yolk out, and I've just been hand painting them, and they're coming out really cute. This I got an idea off a Scandinavian website. It's looking a little messed up right now because I got paint on it, but this is actual like feathers I took off the ground from my ducks and started painting on the egg, or gluing on the egg. You guys, if you're wondering what this stand is, I do just want to say this stand is very important to me, this little Easter egg holder. It is passed down to me from my grandmother, and it's antique, and it's obviously old, and I'm always just gonna keep this in my family and in my decor, probably for the rest of my life if I could, because it just holds back so many Yonko memories. So I always have this front and center every Easter. And while we're here, I did just want to show you guys something cute and fun. This is an empty 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗓 jar that I completed, and I didn't want to throw the jar away because it's so pretty and like luxe and heavy feeling. I decided to use it as a little vase for a succulent, and it has just been going so well. Of course, with the dry lavender and the duck that I keep up year round, and I do plan on like gluing some of those lavender twigs on the back of an Easter egg. So my house is coming alive. It's the best time of year in my opinion, and you guys, one last look at my beautiful tree with the lights a little dimmed. You can see the colors a little better. And you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm always doing like mainly skincare videos, but also like lifestyle decor ideas like this. I hope you guys like it, and I will show you guys and post when the Easter portion of the tree is done next. Everybody have a great day. I love you, and until next time, stay hydrated, stay happy, and stay decorated.